Yep, this is doing a really good job. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Eureka Blaze 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So it's a little handheld vacuum cleaner. It's got a cord that you have to plug in. It's got a simple on-off switch. Now if you want to turn this into like a floor cleaner, you're going to install this attachment. Now it does swivel, and we can install this handle. Now the handle installs really easy. You're just going to line, there's an arrow right on the front. This attachment, you just slide this. This piece is just to hold this other attachment. So it just slides on here. But you'll notice there's an arrow on this handle. Line up the arrow with the orange part there. It slides in. I need to move that up a little bit. And now we have a handheld vacuum cleaner. And we're going to see how well it does as a handheld vacuum cleaner and as a small one. Press the button, release the handle. Pull this out. Now when this fills up, I like that this is clear. I can see how full it's getting. Just press the release button, pull this filter out, empty everything out. Once in a while you are going to blow this off, but you may have to rinse this off also in the sink. Let it dry overnight before you put it back in. Line it up. It's kind of like a triangle. Now there is a little filter on this too. You're going to pull it out the side and then shove it in. You may have to blow that off and rinse this off once in a while too, but make sure it's dry before you put it back in. Now you're simply going to push it in, line up the bottom first, and then rotate it up. So let's see how well it cleans. Okay, so here's a close-up of the Eureka. There's no brush or roller or anything. It just has a suction area with these little rollers right here, but it does swivel. Okay, so we got a big mess here on the floor. Let's see how the Eureka does. Let's turn it on. Okay, it rolls really easy. It's doing a good job. I like that it swivels. Yep, this is doing a really good job. Okay, so let's see how the Eureka does on carpet. It does okay. It doesn't roll as easy as on hardwood floor, but I like that it swivels. Yeah, not too bad of a job. Okay, so I really do like the Eureka. It's got onboard tool storage. Don't forget, you can take the handle out, press this button, remove this off of here. You can put this on. It's a handheld cleaner now. Now, one thing to keep in mind was when you're attaching this to this, this can rotate all the way to the other side, and then it won't go up as high. So make sure you rotate it. There's like a little line. Now it'll rotate up. So that was just a little something. Let's simulate a trash can now. Again, release the chamber, take it over to the trash can, remove the filter. Now there's going to be some dirt and debris stuck to the filter. Just kind of tap them a little bit. Again, once in a while you will have to blow this off and rinse this off and let it dry overnight. Simply just put it back, rotate this, and you're all done. So I thought the Eureka actually did a really good job. I like the features of swivel. Again, it swivels, onboard tool attachment, and it's a clear opening right here. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.